Hey YouTube, this is the Gluckster, and so I went herping early this morning, and first of all I found a pickerel frog, and then I found some larvae of salamanders. There's one, the little one. I have like 4 other little ones, then I have one really big one. Hold on, one sec. Steely, come on! Steely, come look at the water dog. Alright, there's his tail sticking out. He's trying to hide. It's been really stubborn, but I'll just show you him. He's right there. There he is. I'm not sure what larva he is. Might be a slimy salamander. Maybe just a mud puppy.
Yeah, but how would a mud puppy get all the way?
Alright, I'll see you later.